Okay, here we are with the 64 Land Yacht Safari after a couple of hours of just removing stuff, a little bit of demolition, stuff from the cabinets, trash, upholstered cushions, platforms, and the old Airstream drawers. Every one of these had mouse droppings and balls of insulation in them, and two of the forward driver's side drawers were full of water. Now going inside, the floors are actually looking pretty good. There's the street side bench, the table, the curbside bench, the old refrigerator's still in here. The midship street side bench is gone, and there's the old freshwater tank. Really long, looks like 30 gallons or more. And we've got a little bit of rotted floor. Found an old jack and tire iron here. Kitchen cabinets have been emptied. The wheel arches look to be in good condition. Bit of rotted floor in the closet, and the bathroom's looking a lot better with the mess starting to be removed. And there is an old toilet in there. Okay, just a quick update on demolition.